Hi, welcome back. I'm Justin Brochetti from FairPath. If you're running RTM, CCM, APCM, or even RTM, the fastest way to create problems is enrolling the wrong patients. Most practices are still eyeballing the ICD-10 codes and guessing who qualifies based on those codes for these specific programs. That's where denials and your audit risk really starts. In this short walkthrough, I'll show you how FairPath uses the already mapped diagnosis codes from Part 1 to automatically determine which patients actually qualify for each individual program. So I'm here at the patient import tab inside of FairPath. We've already pulled this fake panel from the EMR, and our AI technology has already mapped the clinical notes to the correct ICD-10 codes. Normally, someone would have to scan this list and remember which diagnoses belong with RPM, which for CCM, and which for APCM, and so on. Instead, FairPath runs these same ICD-10 codes through our ontology-guided AI, and for each patient, you can see that FairPath has already assigned program eligibility tags, RPM, CCM, RTM, and APCM. Now keep in mind, behind the scenes, we've mapped over 130,000 ICD-10 conditions to the programs that they legitimately support. So the system is doing all the matching instead of your staff. That means two things for your team. First, when you turn on a program, you're choosing from a pre-qualified list of patients who actually fit the rules. And second, when someone doesn't qualify, it's obvious. So you're not enrolling patients who are borderline just because a vendor wants more volume. So if you're relying on memory or spreadsheets to decide who belongs on RPM, CCM, RTM, or APCM, you're carrying risk you don't need. FairPath was built so eligibility is driven by your diagnoses and our ontology AI, not guesswork. If you would like more information, please visit us at fairpath.ai.